Guys, and things are hard, so I'm still trying so I think the bank trying just telling that I think trying I think it's good get around the library. So I stuck the back. Let's see. I think the kind of things like copyright if you're a child, I don't think that is. So, maybe a copyright. But it's a triangle, so it shouldn't be triangle. I think it should be triangle iPhone. Airpods and then articulation. It as well. I'm using iPhone to links doing and so break. I just can't links and causing share break. I'm taking using saying convenience. I'm gonna get thanks for everything. So I got like 6 phone category. So I got second contract again as well. I don't need. So then I got stuff. So next, get parents. I get Saint fresh of that. You take the instant see cable that time. Things like also instant see freaking Airpods and even hearings, bigger titles, Airpods. And got this cable. I know cable. It's kind of good short. I have like I think I have to like filter unit. So I can fix kind of things, plug things. Hello guys, I don't contact everything during contact though. I don't know what happened. I was saying my phone was getting right. But anyway, I can still get the Rex. I get the fix the can get the Rex. So I can tell folks category. So now I got triangle. So I can't get that, I don't have to like. So next thing you're done, and so using like kind of excited, kind of getting too excited to the extent you speak cable that can't get it. And kind of like from done. So I kind of get excited for the next like it's the next thing, it's the next thing, and if you take right, so and see that it's going to change, that's fine. So thanks. I don't think I have if I can. I think it's just big because I'm probably gonna. I'll take a good thing. Good. But anyway, I get that from the next time. I think we probably won't like putting it on the desk. Yeah, we're filtering. Then that's saying I probably didn't get around sticks get around everything's blank. But I guess you won't, but the contents of the screwdriver concerned to our bank since, and I think that's gonna be it. So, alright guys, I hope you guys like been doing what you guys did. So, I hope you guys didn't. Please leave a like, comment, and then subscribe if you like content. This kind of content, and so okay, see you next time. Bye bye for now.